Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video another Lightroom tutorial in Lightroom preset. Before and after using in this preset. Here example photos.
First go to Light, Contrast plus 25, Highlights negative 100, Shadow plus 54, Whites negative 26, Blacks negative 6. Next go to Curve. Now follow these steps. Next go to Color. Plus 4. Vibrance plus 50. Saturation negative 30. Next go to Max. Go to Red Color and Saturation plus 35. Next go to Orange Color.
Saturation plus 26.
Luminance negative 15. Go to Yellow Color. Hue negative 100. Saturation negative 50. Luminance plus 30. Now go to Green Color. Hue negative 14. Saturation negative 30. Go to Aqua Color. Hue plus 100. Saturation negative 22. Luminance negative 16. Next go to Blue Color. Hue negative 16. Saturation negative 60. Luminance plus 28. Go to Purple Color and Saturation plus 6. Now go to Magenta Color and Saturation plus 10. Next go to Effect and Clarity plus 10. Now go to Split Tone, Shadow Hue 246 and Saturation 8. Next go to Detail. Sharpening plus 27. And Finish.